Dear students, how are you? I am hopeful that all of you will be happy and enjoying the weather. Dear students, again with a new video related with the most important subject of education, that is B.Ed or MAT. Name of the subject is Assessment, Measurement and Evaluation. Dear students, you know that teaching learning process is always depending upon the results. Without results, we cannot claim any assessment, any measurement or any evaluation. So today I have decided to make a video for you people which is related with measurement scales. Measurement scales are those scales which are used by every researcher for the compilation of research results. These are used in the analysis of data. So before going to go in detail, I would like to introduce. So the introduction of measurement scale is that measurement scales were developed by Stanley Smith Stevens in 1946. It means that these four scales were developed by Stanley Smith Stevens in 1946. And just imagine that these four scales were designed in 1946 and still in the 2023 these scales are used in the analysis of data of research, either that is qualitative or quantitative. Measurement scales are 4 in numbers. Remember, measurement scales are 4 in number and there is used an abbreviation that is called NOIR. NOIR means nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio scales. These are the 4 scales. But always remember that nominal is the scale in which there is only naming process. Naming process or labeling. Then ordinal scale is consisted of named plus ordered variable. In nominal scale, the labels or the names are there, but order is not there. But in ordinal scale, named are there and ordered variables are also there. Then there is interval scale. Interval scale is consisted of named, ordered, plus proportionate intervals between variables. In interval scale, the data is compiled by giving the names, by giving the order, and there is marked difference. That, for example, if we are going to go for the analysis of the data, so there is a proper difference of variables among 10 and 20. Then the last one is ratio scale. Ratio scale is the highest scale which is consisted of named, ordered, proportionate intervals plus absolute zero. So when we study, it goes in ascending order. Ascending order means that the most simple of these scale is nominal and the most complex one is called ratio scale. Now let us see what is meant by nominal scale. As it is clear from nomin means name. The first level of measurement scale in which the number served as tags or labels to classify the objects. As I have already informed you people that it is the first scale of measurement in which the data are labeled or tags are given to them, but it has no numerical meaning. It has no numerical meaning means that it is not a quantitative scale. No numerical scale or numerical meaning means it is qualitative and it only gives names or text. Nominal scale is further divided into three categories. Remember, nominal scale is divided into three. The first one is nominal with order. Nominal with order means that some nominals can be categorized in order, such as cold, warm, hot, very hot. Means that there is, when we observe, so there is an order. Means cold, where there is cold there will be warm, then there is hot, and then there is very hot. So if we study, it travels from in order from cold to warm, from warm to hot, and from hot to very hot. Then nominal without order. Nominal without order means that in nominal with order there was an order, but in nominal without order data is categorized without order. Without order means that there is no difference. There is no order. For example, male and female. So there is no order because male is something else and female is something else. But in this with order we observe that there is cold, warm, hot and very hot. So nominal without order are those in which there is no categorization. There is only labeling, and that is called male and female. Then the third one is dichotomous. Dichotomous, it is consisted of two. This data has two categories. That is called yes or no. And dear students, you should always remember that these measurement scales are most of the time used by the researcher when they are going to develop their questionnaire. Then the second one is called ordinal scale. Ordinal means order. Order, so naming is already, name is there, and after the name, now we are going to introduce order. So ordinal scale, name data along with specific order. The difference between nominal and ordinal is that in nominal there may be order or there may not be order, but in ordinal there must be order. There is no specific difference in each other. Difference is missing. For example, ranking of the students in school. All of us are observing this, that one student has been given, awarded with first position, with second position and with third position. But there is no specification or categorization that what is the difference between first, second and third. So order is there. First, second and third. Order is there, names are there, but the only thing that is missing, that is called specific difference. It is possible that one student may have 500 marks and the second will have 400 marks. So there is no specific difference in it. Then it is also used for occurrence frequency. Occurrence frequency means very often, often, not often and not at all. And you have seen, when you will inshallah devise your questionnaire, so there will be given that very much satisfied, satisfied, neutral, not satisfied and highly not satisfied. Then the third one is called interval. Interval scale is called, if we study, interval means the difference. So it means that there is name, there is order, but there is interval as well. Interval means there is a proper difference. It is known as quantitative measurement. Quantitative measurement is the type of measurement which is consisted of numerical data 1, 2, 3. there is meaningful difference in two variables. Meaningful means that if, for example, I am going to describe the difference between 10 and 20, so there is the difference of 10 degrees. And this difference is making it different from the ordinal scale. In ordinal scale, there is no specific difference, but in interval scale, there is a proper difference. But it has no absolute zero. No absolute zero means that the quantity cannot be claimed with the level of zero. Its examples are Likert scale. Likert scale is the scale. It is consisted of dichotomous in 5 as well as in 7. And the good example of interval scale is time as well as scale. Scale means 2 kg, 3 kg, and time means 5 hours, 6 hours, 11 o'clock, etc., etc. The last one is ratio. This is the most complex measurement scale in which there is name, there is order, there is interval, and there is absolute zero. Absolute zero. Remember, it is also quantitative measurement scale with name, with order, with proportional, and absolute zero. It allows unit conversion, example kg, etc. Kg, etc. means that before kg we can collect other scales or units. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, as you know very well. So the conversion of this 1000 into 1 kg, as well as we can say that the weight is 0. And then example of ratio scale is what is your weight in kg. What is your weight in kg means less than 50 kg, then 51 to 70 kg, and 71 to 90 kg. So dear students, these are the scales which are basically the tools of measurement. As we have already explained that measurement is the systematic process of giving numerical representation to the collected data. So I hope you have understood very well that nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and ratio scale, it is in ascending order. I hope you will not be having any confusion now regarding these scales. So wait for the next video and I request you that subscribe it. Thank you very much.